Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So Instagram have added one new feature that you can edit your grills on Instagram profile. For example, if you want to arrange it in a format like this, post to keep it here, this post to keep it here. Now you can arrange it so that your profile will look more attractive. So how to do this, I will show you in my mobile screen. So first you have to open your Instagram application, and here you can see there are number of posts. So what you need to do, you don't have to open any post in this way. You have to press and hold on a post for a couple of seconds. So here you can see I will press and hold, and here you will see the option as edit grid. So just click on this one. So now this profile will be editable. You can drag and drop anything you want. For example, you can see here, you just have to drag and drop it. So once it is done, you have to click. So you can see now I will drag this. So first three should be photo. Okay, so I have kept this video at the last, and I will go back. So you can see I will refresh this, and you can see it is in the last. So in this way you can do it. Let me know if you have this feature in your Instagram account or not. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.